H2O Mineral Spa Moisture Boosting Body Balm. There are very few products by H2O that I have not had a great experience with. This is a wonderful body moisturizer with a subtle but beautiful scent. I think you'll love it. Bath & Body Works True Blue Spa Vitamin E. Bath & Body Works True Blue Spa Vitamin E Bronzing Self-Tanning Lotion Strike Gold. Arbonne SeaSource Detox Spa Renewing Body Gelee. Powerful sea and botanical extracts help restore skin's ionic balance, for optimum moisture and to lock in skin renewing benefits. Enriched with sea plant antioxidants to resist environmental pollutants, this refreshing gel cools as it nourishes, hydrates and moisturizes for skin that is soft and smooth. 12 Fluid Oz. LCL Beauty Extra Large Black Steel Single Post Mayo Instrument. This extra large Mayo style instrument stand and work tray has a welded steel frame and has a friction control adjustable height ranging from 29 to 46, so you can use it comfortably sitting or standing. The durable welded steel frame and 5-caster star base provides a sturdy foundation so you can safely put all your instruments on the tray without worry. The extra large 21.5 by 15.75 tray provides a generous workspace, and the one lip securely holds your tools and instruments. The tray lifts out of the frame for easy cleaning, sterilization, and portability. Durable welded steel frame. Extra large steel tray lifts out of frame for easy cleaning and portability. Easy to operate friction control height adjustment. Additional trays available for purchase to switch out tool sets quickly on the fly. 5 smooth rolling hooded casters provide easy mobility. Tray dimensions: 21.5 L x 15.75 W. Height range: 29-46 high. Green Air Spa Vapor New and Improved Essential Oil. I love this cool little diffuser. I had a small problem with the order, but I contacted the vendor and they were great. They were friendly and sent me the extra item over right away. I've been enjoying my diffuser. Just make sure not to put any citrus oils in there. Versus Spa Tan Enhancing Luminous Bronze Shimmering Dry Oil. I bought this at a tanning salon last summer because I told them I have a hard time getting my feet tan. So I tried it and I liked it so much I put some in my after tanning lotion and used it all over. I got so many compliments about my tan. Everyone thought I was at the beach every day. Well, the tanning salon said they weren't selling it well, so they discontinued it. So I went on Amazon and to my surprise I found it. The price is a little high, so I could only get 2 bottles. I love this stuff and I hope I can continue using it. Use Sunline 911 Premium Resin Gua Sha Massage Tools for Graston Spa. Use Sunline 911 Premium Resin Gua Sha Massage Tools for Graston Spa. Acupuncture Therapy Trigger Point Treatment for different shapes, style for different purpose use. Type D L 12.5 W 4.5 H 5.5 cm. Type L, L 10.5 W 2.5 H 8 cm. Type N L 9 W 9 H 2.5 cm. Type T, L 11.5 W 5.5 H 2.5 cm. Package in include 1 massage tools as images show. Fur Pro Comfy Soft Luxury Fleece Pad Set, Natural, Extra. Fur Pro Premium Fleece Pad Set is made from polyester fibers and contains no wool to eliminate allergies. It is extra soft and keeps warm in the winter and cool in the summer. The premium fleece massage table pad fits tables up to 33 wide and features 1 thick fleece with reinforced edges and straps to hold it in place. It is designed for comfort and protecting massage tables against makeup, lotion, and oil stains. Why choose fleece? Fleece is an extremely durable fabric that holds in warmth but resists moisture and dries quickly. It assists in increasing the lifespan of tabletop fabric due to its lightweight and unique design. Fleece is the most universally used luxurious layer for any massage table. Fleece pad set includes premium fleece massage table pad 31WX72LX 1.5D fleece face rest cover care instructions machine washable on gentle cycle tumble dry on low heat or air dry do not bleach do not dry clean wash within 24 hours of use do not overload washer with too many linens per wash cycle dry linens according to fabric and or washing instructions for Pro Professional collection features the highest quality, best value, and largest selection for professionals and consumers. All products include 100% unconditional guarantee. ASA certification BSCI compliant.